In this video, we will walk you through how to harness the full power of Mail and Deploy with Power BI. You've invested time and effort into building powerful, insightful dashboards in Power BI, dashboards that give you and your team critical business insights. But when it comes to sharing those insights through reports, the process often becomes a challenge. That's exactly where Mail and Deploy comes in, to simplify, automate, and elevate your entire reporting workflow. Our solution now integrates with Power BI, so you can automate your report generation and distribution with just a few clicks. Simply connect your Power BI environment, and Mail and Deploy will access your semantic models, including all your measures, calculations, and data fields, unlocking the full potential for highly tailored, dynamic reporting. Our report designer puts you in control, allowing you to create polished, professional reports in formats you use every day: Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, PDFs, and more. Let's dive in and take a look at creating an Excel report. Here, all your report elements are organized in the Content Explorer, making it easy to drag and drop tables, charts, and visuals wherever you want them. Using MSO Charts, adding complex charts and graphics is a breeze. No coding, no fuss. You get full creative freedom with none of the typical limitations. Next, we'll switch over to a Word report, just as flexible and easy to build with full control over layout and design. Now, the real magic happens when it's time to distribute these reports. For this example, we'll define our audience directly within Power BI using a dedicated support app. This means you can target exactly who receives which report based on roles, departments, or any other criteria. Scheduling and personalizing report delivery is simple and efficient. Set up distribution tasks once, and Mail and Deploy automatically sends reports securely via email, FTP, shared portals, or any delivery method you prefer. Each recipient gets a report that's filtered and formatted specifically for them. No more generic, one-size-fits-all files. Mail and Deploy connects securely and flexibly to meet your needs. In short, your reports, your rules, no limits. Experience Power BI reporting like never before, faster, smarter, and completely tailored to your needs with Mail and Deploy.